Before you can start using Screencast OMatic, you need to download it. This is one option on how you can do it. To download Screencast OMatic to your desktop and make it an icon that you can use each time, first go to Google. I find this is the easiest way to find Screencast OMatic. This is generally the first link that shows up. Click on it. When you click on that, it's going to take you to screencastomatic.com. The first screen will look like this one that I've labeled as 1. So they'll give you a couple different options. You can start recording for free, try the online video editor, or sign up for free or log in. Notice in this option, you're going to click Sign Up for Free. When you click that, it's going to ask you if you want to create a username and password or log in with Google. I would suggest logging in with Google. You do that by clicking the Google G or where it says Sign Up with Google. Finally, it will bring up a Choose Account option that Screencast will use. You will find your name in the list. If not, you will type in your first name _ your last name, followed by @ConostagaValley.org, and you use your same typical login that you would use for @school purposes. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to download and install. Once you click download and install, it's going to start running an install on your screen. Just to clarify what it will look like when you click the download install, notice that you'll have a pop-up extension down here. You're going to need to open that. You can do that by clicking on this little up arrow and selecting Open. That brings you to the first opportunity to click Next and install this as a desktop icon. If you have issues with the install or the installation is stopped, don't worry. The video directly next to this one will show you how you can use screencastomatic.com still as a website. If this pops up, click Next. Then once it is ready, click Next again. It will load. Finally, you'll get this Finish box. Please notice that it will start Screencast OMatic automatically because there's a check next to it. And normally this one is left blank, and I would suggest putting the check mark there. It says create a desktop shortcut. Make sure that this one is checked to create an easy to open desktop icon. Then click Finish. After you click Finish, you're going to find the desktop icon on your desktop, double click it, and then the screen recorder will look like what you see here. To learn how to use these different features in Screencast OMatic, check the other videos on this page. Hope this video helps.